beautiful beginning, my dear children. Welcome back to our social class. So, children, this week we are going to start a revision. So, first we are going to revise exercises given in our history and our geography text. Okay. So, keep both your books ready. If you haven't completed any exercise, you can complete it. Okay. So, what was the first lesson in history? It was Rise of Christianity, where we discussed about the birth of Christianity in the medieval period of India. Isn't it? Yes, it stretched from the 8th to the 18th century. Okay, and then we learned about Jesus Christ's teachings and about the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Okay, so now page number 7. Now let's see the exercises. So Roman letter 8, pick the correct answers. This century marked the end of the medieval period in Europe. Which is that? Yes, it is 16th century. Next, the Romans conquered this place in the 1st century BC. This Palestine. Next, we get to know about the life of Jesus from 4 short books called the Gospels. Next, this is the most famous sermon delivered by Jesus Christ. It is Sermon on the Mount. Next, Jesus was crucified in the year in which place? In Golgotha. Okay. Next, write true or false. Jews were happy to worship the Roman emperor as gods. No, it is false. Second one, Jesus spread his message through his 12 apostles. Yes, true. Next, Jesus asked people to have faith in God. True. Next, Herod crucified Jesus. It is false. Next, massive columns. First one, Herod. Herod tortured the Jews. Second one, parables. It is a message of Jesus Christ. Third one, Mary and Joseph, parents of Jesus Christ. Next, Saint Peter. Saint Peter, disciple of Jesus Christ. Yes, our next lesson was about spread of Christianity. Okay, so we have the two followers of Jesus after his death. Who were their children? Yes, Saint John and Saint Paul. Okay, so Saint Paul was the one who played an active role in spreading Christianity in the Roman Empire, and he was the first one to encourage the non-Jews to become the Christians. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the exercises given in this lesson. Page number 15. Fill in the blanks. So, Emperor Dash granted special privileges to Christians. Yes, Emperor Constantine. Okay, next. Which emperor made the Christianity the official religion of the Roman Empire? Yes, it is Theodosius. Next, the Roman Empire declined in the year 476 BCE. And how many crusades were fought? Yes, 8. So this is given in quick quiz, page number 14. Okay. Next, Dash was a system of granting land on condition of service. Yes, it was feudalism. Next, Dash was the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire. It is Constantinople. Fourth one, Dash were holy wars that were fought between the Christians and the Turks. Yes, it was crusades. Next, Dash served as centers of religious and secular learning. It was monasteries. Next, the word and grey are incorrect. Write the correct answers. Who spread Christianity in the Roman Empire? Saint Paul. Yes, next, the second question. Emperor Dash was the first Roman ruler to embrace Christianity. It is Constantine. Next, Visigoths and Dash tribes invaded Rome. It is Ostrogoth. Fourth one, the Byzantine Empire had able rulers such as Charles Magny. Yes, you have to write Justinian 1. Next, the monks lived in convents, no, in monasteries. Okay. Next, write one word answers. So, first one, who encouraged the non-Jews to embrace Christianity? It is Saint Paul. Second one, what do the Romans call the invading Germanic tribes? They call them as barbarians. Next, who built Hagia Sophia? It is Justinian 1. Next, who attacks the Byzantine Empire in 1453? It is the Ottomans. Next, name the Pope who urged Christians to go on a crusade. It is Pope Urban II. Okay, these are the answers given in page number 16. Yes, the next lesson is rise and spread of Islam, isn't it? So the medieval period witnessed emergence of Islam, and starting from Arabia, it spread to the whole of West Asia and then to the rest of the world. And in this lesson, we learned about pre-Islamic Arabia, about Prophet Muhammad, yes, his teachings, and about the spread of Islam. Do you remember, children? Yes, we learned about the Umayyads, Abbasids. Yes? Yeah. So now we'll discuss exercise given in page number 22. So first one, circle the correct answers. There were dash kingdoms in 6th century Arabia. There were no major kingdoms in 6th century Arabia. Second one, the Kaaba is located in Mecca. Prophet Muhammad listed dash principles of Islam. How many principles? Five principles. Okay. Next, the people of Dash were initially hostile to Prophet Muhammad, the people of Mecca. Next, the caliphs ruled from Dash to 661 CE, 632. Okay. Next, Dash was the capital of the Abbasids, it is Baghdad. Next, Dash wrote the Rubaiyat, it is Umar Khayyam. Next, right, true or false. First one, Prophet Muhammad is born in the year 570 BCE. False. Next, Prophet Muhammad discouraged idol worship. True. Next, Prophet Muhammad left for Mecca in 622 CE. False. The word caliph means governor. False. The Abbasids were overthrown by the Umayyads. False. Next, the Turks captured Baghdad in 1258. False. Ferdowsi wrote the Shahnama. True. Yes, and our next lesson is Turkish invasion of India, page number 31. Okay, first one. Take the correct answers. Muhammad bin Qasim captured Sindh in the year 712. Okay, second one. The Hindu Shahi rulers Jaipal and Pal were defeated by Muhammad of Ghazni. Option B. Next, he wrote Kitab ul Hind. Who is that? It is Al-Brani. Fourth one, Muhammad Ghori defeated this ruler in the second battle of Tarin. It is Prithviraj Chauhan. Next, this became the power center of the Sultanate. It is Delhi. Next, right, true or false. The Indian rulers did not resent the religious activities of the Arabs. True. Next, Muhammad of Ghazni wanted to establish an empire in India. False. Next, Muhammad Ghori won the first battle of Tarin. False. Next, Jayachandra was ruler of Kannauj. True. Next, the Turkish invaders succeeded because there was no political unity among the rulers. True. Next, name the following. A temple town that Muhammad of Ghazni raided in 2018. It is Madura. Next, the place where Muhammad of Ghazni founded a university. It is Ghazni. Next, the region that served as a base for future conquest of Muhammad Ghori. It is Punjab. Next, the place where Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan clashed twice. It is Tarin. Next, the animal that the Turks used to fight wars. It is horse. Yes, our next lesson is the Delhi Sultanate, right? So the period from 1206 to 1526 is known as the age of Delhi Sultanate, and Delhi was the capital of the sultans who conquered a large part of the Indian subcontinent. So under this lesson, we learned about the slave, Khalji, Tughlaq, Said, and about the Lodi dynasty. Okay, now page number 45. The period from 1206 to Dash is the period of the Delhi Sultanate, yes, to 1526. Next, Dash was the first ruler of the slave dynasty. It is Qutbuddin Aibak. Next one, Dash was the most trusted general of Alauddin Khilji. It is Malik Kafur. Fourth one, Muhammad bin Tughlaq introduced a Dash in 1329. It is token currency. Next, Firoz Shah Tughlaq founded the towns of Dash and Dash, about Janpur and Firozpur. Next, in 1398, Dash invaded India. It is Timur. Next one, Dash was the founder of the Said dynasty. It is Khilzad Khan Said. Eighth one, Dash Lodi made Agra his capital. It is Sikandar Lodi. Next, solved the crossword with the help of the clues given below. Third one is given first, across. So Khizr Khan conquered Dash in 1414. Conquered Delhi. Next, Jalaluddin Khalji was lenient towards the Mongols. Sixth one, Muhammad bin Tughlaq decided to mint the coins of Dash and copper for daily use. It is brass. Next, seventh, the nobles and the Dash grew powerful under Firoz Shah and Tughlaq ulema. Next, down, the most powerful ruler of the slave dynasty is Balban. Next, Alauddin Khilji captured the forts of Ranthambore and Dash from the Rajputs. It is Chittor. Next, Dash Khan took the title of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. It is Jannah. Next, match each statement to the sultans. First one, shift to the new capital. It is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next, let me join Timur. It is Khizr Khan Said. Third one, Russia will be my successor. It is Iltutmish. Next, I will appoint loyal Afghan nobles. It is Bahlul Lodi. Next, the nobles should perform sitza and salmon wars in my court. It is Balvin. Next, I will make Iqtas hereditary. It is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Okay, children, now civics, okay, page number 116. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the fundamental law of a country. It is our constitution. Next, the dash tells us about the source of a constitution. It is preamble. Next, dash means that there will be no discrimination on the basis of religion. It is secular. Fourth one, dash justice means that there should be no discrimination on the basis of caste, race, gender, or religion. It is social. Fifth one, we have dash citizenship in India. We have single citizenship in India. Next, right, true, or false. First one, there were no women members in the Constituent Assembly. False. Second one, the preamble is the introduction of the to our constitution. True. Next, the government chosen by the people is called a democracy. True. Next, the political justice means reducing the gap between the rich and the poor. False. Next, India has a written constitution. It is true. So now take out your geography book. First lesson, representation of geographical features. So page number 8. Fill in the blanks. The survey trees are shown in which color? It is shown in black. Next, the dash of a map is a ratio between the map distance and the ground distance. It is scale. Next, in the statement, 5 centimeter is to 1000 kilometer. There, 5 centimeter is the map distance. Next, in linear scale, the subdivisions of a primary division are called dash division. They are called the secondary division. Next, the dash on a map explains the meanings of the conventional signs and symbols, the key or a legend. Next, write one-word answers. The map prepared by the Survey of India on the scale 1 is to 50,000. It is topographical map or the topo sheet. Okay, second one. The color used to show settlements on a map. It is red. Third one, the method in which the scale of a map is expressed in numerical fraction. It is representative fraction. Next, the scale that remains correct after enlargement or reduction of a map. It is linear scale. Next, on a topo sheet, CH refers to the circuit house. So our next lesson is atmosphere. Okay, so page number 17. The underlined word in each sentence is incorrect. Write the correct word. First one, in the atmosphere, the density of air dash with the increase in height. It decreases. Next, all weather phenomena occurs in the dash. It occurs in the troposphere. Next, a greenhouse is a dash used to grow plants in cold areas. It is a glass house. Okay. Next, a rise in sea level due to global warming will cause flooding of dash areas, flooding of coastal areas. Next one, dash is used to measure the thickness of the ozone layer. It is Dobson unit. Next, choose the correct answers. Which of these gases is found in the lower layers of the atmosphere? Yes, it is oxygen. That's why we are able to breathe. Next, what is the lower part of the atmosphere called? It is ionosphere. Next one, which of these is a greenhouse gas? It is carbon dioxide. Next, which of these activities do not produce greenhouse gases? It is afforestation. Okay. Next, which of these gases is responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer? It is methane. Next, right, true or false? The composition of air in the atmosphere is uniform. It is false. Second one, helium is found in the exosphere because it is a light gas. True. Next one, global warming is caused due to greenhouse gases. True. Increase in deforestation is a way to control global warming. False. Next, the maximum ozone depletion occurs over the Antarctic region. It is true. So our next lesson is weather and climate. Okay, page number 29. So first one, choose the correct answer. Which one of these is effective in heating the atmosphere? It is terrestrial radiation. Second one, how many low pressure belts are there on the Earth's surface? It is 7. Next, the Hamilton winds blow over the northwestern part of Africa. Next, which of these is not a form of condensation? It is drizzle. Fifth one, dash rainfall occurs in the equatorial region. It is convectional rainfall. Next, right, true or false? The torrid zone receives minimum insolation. False. The atmospheric pressure is the highest in the mountains. False. Next, the planetary winds blow in a particular direction throughout the year. True. Next, the dust particles in the air help in condensation. True. Next, the orographic rainfall is common in the belts of the westerlies. False. Next, fill in the blanks. The frigid zone lies between the dash and the dash in the southern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. Next, atmospheric pressure is measured in millibars. The sea breeze is a dash wind. It is a periodic wind. Next, the dash clouds have hair-like appearance, the cirrus clouds. Next, the ice pellets that fall with rain are called hailstones. Yes, and the next lesson is weather instruments, page number 36. Fill in the blanks. So the dash study weather. Yes, the meteorologist. Next, dash is found inside a thermometer. It is mercury. Next one, an anemometer is used to measure wind speed. Next, the dry bulb thermometer records a temperature higher than the wet bulb thermometer. Next, the dash is used to measure the rainwater collected, the rain gauge. So, next page number 37, read the clues and write the names. First one, the place where the weather conditions are recorded, it is weather station. Next, the thermometers are kept inside this box. It is Stevenson screen. Next, an automatic barometer, it is barograph. Next one, the instrument used to measure humidity, it is hygrometer, okay, or the wet and dry bulb thermometer. Next, rainfall is measured in this unit, it is millimeters. So, children, kindly prepare well for your first terminal examination. Okay, if you're not having any assignment link or anything, if you want any help, kindly ask me. Okay, so prepare well, children. Thank you. Have a great day.